Welcome to the Basic Ops Openclaw Agent Setup tutorial. Feel free to pause the video and rewind at any time so you can follow along at your own pace. This step-by-step guide will help you add any Openclaw agent to Basic Ops. You must already have a working Openclaw gateway installed locally or on a server. The first thing we need to do is add a new agent user using the Basic Ops user settings. To do this, go to Settings, then Users. If you see a tab at the top titled Agents, this means you can continue. Next, you will select Add Agent and follow the instructions. Add the agent photo, choose your agent's display name, and select projects the agent needs access to. Select the expiration date for the API key. Your API key is now available. This is the only time you will be able to copy the key, so please copy it and save it somewhere. In this guide, I use Basic Ops notes to save the key for later. Now open a terminal window and the channel you normally use for chatting with your Openclaw gateway. I will be using the Openclaw Terminal User Interface, or TUI, but you may use Telegram, the control panel, or another chat interface. On my screen, I have the Openclaw TUI on the top and the server command line on the bottom. We will be using both. The next step is to paste this command prompt provided in the instruction into the server terminal. This will install the instructions to your Openclaw and allow your agent to read each document and guide itself through the process. Once it's installed, use the provided prompt to instruct the agent. This step should kickstart the bulk of the process, and your agent will be able to guide you through most situations. As typical with Openclaw, you may have to confirm a few things for your agent throughout the rest of the process, like installations and connections, just as you can see me do here. At some point, you will need to paste both your Basic Ops Agent User API key and your server's public hostname. I saved my API key in a Basic Ops note earlier, so I just need to quickly retrieve that. I am using Hostinger as my VPS, so I can copy and paste the public hostname straight from my VPS dashboard. Your agent may be able to help you find the public hostname if you are having trouble. You will have to restart the Openclaw gateway once or twice throughout this process. The agent should give you the command to restart and check status, so just paste that into the server terminal when requested. If you have trouble with your agent disconnecting, just send a message asking it to continue. Sometimes it gets hung up during the gateway restart and simply needs a little nudge. Just keep following the agent's instructions, and eventually you will reach a point where you can test the agent. Just send them a message in Basic Ops, and if you receive a response, your agent is all set up. If you are having any issues, ask your agent or contact Basic Ops support. Thank you.